lesson here. We're going to do more squaring today, and today we're going to do binomials and trinomials. So I'm going to start with a binomial. Binomial meaning two digits, two numbers. So my number is 24. That's the number I'm squaring. Okay. I'm going to make a square out of my ones. So 4 squared There you go. I squared my ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So there are 16 tiles here representing number 16. Now I'm going to continue with my arms. I'm going to build my arms with the tens. All right, so that is okay. I'm done with my tens. Okay, now 10 times 10 is 100, so I'm going to put 100 here. Alright, so I have two perfect squares here, one made out of hundreds and one made out of ones. And tens represent the arms. And this square guide tells us that we have the ones here, we have the hundreds here, and the tens, so perfectly corresponds with our squared number, which is 24. Okay, so what is the square of 24? 24 squared. I have 16 ones, 16 units, tens, 160 tens, and then I have 400s. Let me put this here. So it adds up to 576. The square of 24 is 576. If you want to count it, 400, and that is 560, and then 16 more is 576. This was the squaring of a binomial, two-digit number. What if we want to square a trinomial? All right, so I'm going to turn this into a trinomial. Let's add 100 here, and I'm going to make it 124. Okay, well, 100 times 100 is 1,000. This is going to be a much larger number because we are going with a trinomial. All right, now 1,000 times 1,000 is 10,000, and I don't have a 10,000 number tile, so But if I had it, it would be blue. I know that because tens are blue, so I'm going to put 110 on its backside, representing 10,000. So now let's count. 124 squared, trinomial. So how many 10,000s do I have? 10,000, I have 1. How many thousands? I have 4. And how many hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,200. All right. And how many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 160. And I have 16 ones. Let's add up. 6, 7, 3, 5, and 1. 15,376. That is 124 squared. That is equal to 15,376. And if you want to know, in case you want to know the square root of 15,376, you go backwards. It's 24. This is the square root. 124 is the square root of 15,376.